Why is my pool deck sinking? Well, there's a couple of different reasons why your deck could sink. Ultimately, what they all boil down to is a lack of support for the deck. Now, the deck, when it was first built, is probably sitting on top of, relatively compact ground or gravel or sand or dirt or something like that. But in addition to that, there's probably also sonotubes, which are just cylinders of concrete standing vertical in the ground. Or it could be that you have the type of pool that has braces or a wall brace system like a vinyl liner pool. And with an X brace system on a vinyl liner pool, you actually use those braces as additional support columns for the deck to sit on top of. Kind of the same function as a sonotube, kind of used in an either or situation, or even potentially both used to help support the concrete. Ultimately, if you find yourself in a situation where the concrete is cracking or the deck is breaking, the support system has failed. Now, in most cases, 9 out of 10, when you say to me, my pool deck is cracking, what's going on? I'm thinking you have a leak. If you have a leak in your pool, then all that water, as it's traveling through the ground, is washing away the finer material like the sand that is in the ground. And eventually you'll end up with a hollow pocket where the ground used to touch the concrete. And now there's nothing supporting the concrete in that area, or at least you could say conservatively that the vast majority of the support network has been removed. If you can walk around your pool deck and you can tap with your foot or with a hammer or something like that, and you can hear that the pool deck is hollow, then that's probably what's happened. Either it's washed away over time, or over time the ground that the concrete was poured on has continued to just sink and settle into the ground such that it's no longer physically contacting with the deck anymore. And that's when the X-frames or the sonotubes that support the deck become so important, because without those, there's nothing supporting the deck in that area. And maybe that's what you have. Maybe you have the type of pool where they didn't pour sonotubes, or maybe it's not a vinyl liner pool, so you don't have X braces, so nothing's holding up your concrete anymore, and that's when it starts to crack, because under its own weight, the cracks will happen when it's not supported anymore. And if I had a certain area of my pool that was cracking more than other areas, I would be highly suspect that there's a leak happening in that area. If not a leak from the pool, then some sort of problem with the drainage system around the pool. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.